In this video I'm going to build another cutting board. I've made cutting boards before, but only the easiest way, face grain cutting boards. But this time it's going to be next level. It's my first edge grain cutting board and it's going to be big, heavy, it's going to be amazing, it's going to be epic if I can make it with my tools. Without further ado. This one I have to do in my office. It's at least a little bit warm. My workshop room is not that warm and I'm just afraid that this glue, this wood glue won't dry so fast in a cold room, so that's why I will do this here. I want to put this under these woods because that's pretty straight, and because of the glue I use this plastic bag. I hope those woods won't stick to this plastic. I've never done that before, so that's why I'm a little bit nervous. Unfortunately, I don't have a big planer or jointer. That's why I'm using these woods. These are quite smooth already, and I tried to pick as straight as possible. Now it's just a waiting game. It's been drying now about 4 hours. I will take all these clamps away, then I will cut this half, glue these two pieces together and let it dry overnight, and tomorrow I think I will use my router sled to make it smooth, because it will just fit inside my router sled. This plastic bag worked crazy good. You can still clean it and use it again. Okay, let's glue these together. It looks good. My only fear is that in the morning it's bended. It's been now drying overnight. I have to say it looks good. It's not bended. Next I will remove these clamps and then I have to try if it's going to fit to my router sled. It is kind of fitting to my router sled. It's going to be tight. Safety first. that actually worked pretty good with this LED. I'm happy about this result. I made it wet and now it's dried again, that this wood grain is up again. It's a little bit rough. Now I will sand it with 120 paper, 240 paper. And this is going to look amazing. And it's heavy. It's pretty heavy. Now I will wax it, and I'm using cutting board wax. This one smells crazy good. It's with orange and lemon extracts. It's done. It's finished and it looks absolutely amazing. I'm a little bit surprised how nicely it turned out. I was also very nervous in the beginning that how this glue stuff will go. I had only these basic clamps. It turned out crazy good. Of course now I have this problem again. How can I use something like this? How can I put there my bread and cut this bread? I just have to do it. See you guys next time.